Welcome back. Today's video is about DRDO CABS recruitment. If you want to read about the recruitment details on your own, do check the description box. Alternatively, you can also head over to Google and search for DRDO CABS Recruitment 2021 Freshers Now. If you land in Freshers Now website, you can get the details, the official notification link as well as the direct application link. All of this can be accessed in one place itself. Don't forget to join us through Telegram because you can get regular job updates. Open the Telegram app and search for Freshers Now and join us. The link to join directly will be placed in the description box as well, so don't forget to check it out. Defense Research and Development Organization has opened its vacancy for a junior research fellowship. There are 20 vacancies and this period which you are going to work is going to be for 2 years. And starting date to apply has already begun. They have given 21 days for you to apply, and within 21 days of the advertisement publication you have to send in your applications, and this category is under central government. Shortlisting will be made according to the GATE scores as well as the graduate and undergraduate or postgraduate scores that you have obtained, and then the online interview will be conducted. Location of job is in Bangalore. I suggest you to please do cross-check with the official website time to time for latest information or any of the changes or any of the updates regarding this recruitment. Heading over to the vacancies, we have various disciplines for JRF. So according to the discipline that you have been having a graduate or a postgrad degree and also the GATE scores, according to your discipline that you have obtained, you can start heading over to apply. Some of them are mentioned here: aeronautical engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering. And next we have the education requirement: BE or a BTech with a first class pass along with your valid GATE scores, or ME or an MTech, again postgraduate also with a first division pass. Now the GATE score of 2020 and 2021 are also eligible to apply. They are acceptable. Stipend is going to be 31,000 along with HRA, and not more than 28 years is the age, and 5 years relaxation is given to SC, ST candidates, 3 years for OBC, non-creamy layer candidates. Selection process I have mentioned earlier: according to the GATE scores and your academic scores, the selection will be further made. Then they will be called for the online interview. Now this will be intimidated through the email ID which you are going to give in the application form. So give a valid working email ID. The working period is going to be for 2 years. It may be extended further 1 year at a time according to the requirement of the organization. If you are willing to apply, read the official notification first. You can access it here. With one click you can start reading the official notification. If you think you have fulfilled the eligibility criteria, you can start applying with the second click as mentioned. And after filling up your application forms, you have to submit it to the officials by sending in to their email ID along with the relevant documents. So that is why read the official notification and follow all the instructions, and then attach all the documents together along with the application form. Send them to this email ID as mentioned here on the screen. Do subscribe to our channel, place your comments in regards to any doubts, and thank you for watching.